Identical twins, but only one winner. Hi, I'm Debbie. No containing a mother's joy as the Clayton twins up the ante ahead of weekend action at Champs. Sports fans returning to the stands after last year's virtual staging.
Injuries at Champs. High school athletes back in business after virtual staging in 2021. Grandstand not full Wednesday, but partially by design. Attendance limited to 70% of capacity as a nod to COVID. Online ticket sales not without glitches.
We are having just a few issues with the online system, nothing significant. Persons sometimes make errors in inputting their email addresses and therefore they don't get the tickets. But there's actually a feature on the system where they can just go back and ask the system to resend their tickets. Not many people realize that it is there, so we have to be pointing them towards that.
Lovely look, chest plate. Lovely look, roll up and next break.
Fan presence always heaviest at the weekend, but changes in the competition's format now resulting in some of the premier races being brought forward, a shift away from the main action almost exclusively focused on Friday and Saturday.
And so we have restructured the schedule to start with more finals on the second day. The most significant one is the 100 meters, which started yesterday.
The class 1 boys, class 2 boys, class 3 boys, we want to ensure that they have adequate time to prepare for the other events that are coming up in the finals.
My name's Synonymous.
But track fans happy to be back at the National Stadium or watching on TVJ. And Grace still the sponsor after 15 years, pumping $150 million into Champs 2022.
When you look on the grandstand on a Wednesday and it's full into capacity, it's a great feeling. For this afternoon, I'm really looking forward to the 100 meters.
Don Webby also excited to highlight Grace's sweetener for 100 meters winners.
So the winner of every 100 meter will get 100,000 Jamaican dollars, and the school will also get 100,000 Jamaican dollars.
I'm happy. Me and my team are out here and we're having so much fun doing what we do best, cheering on. I'm a 140s person. But right now, today it's acting. It's like JC's coming up. I'm watching Wade from KC and Mark Anthony Miller from JC.
And what event do you think is going to be the most exciting event for Champs?
The 4x400 meters. And the 4x1 100 meter relay and the 100 meter final.
Hard to beat Champs for atmosphere, even before it really gets going.
Liston is trying to fight back. It's Liston from Tina Clayton. Liston and Tina Clayton is very, very close indeed.
Overjoyed mother of the Clayton twins can't contain herself, rushing onto the track to hug her two daughters, who came first and third in the much anticipated girls' class 100 meters. And she's off again, sprinting back to the stands.
Mommy, your daughters just finished first and third. How does that feel?
I know that was going to happen.
Do you have a special word for your daughters?
I love you, baby, and continue to do your work.
She's the person behind this and my coach, the driver, because you know they are the person that drive me and let me know that I have this in me and let me build up back my confidence. And with me taking the goal, I'm grateful.
It's a huge win for your sister. A third place finish for you. We just spoke to your mom. She's so happy for the both of you. How do you feel?
Well, I feel very great now that I came out here and did what I have to do to make my mom proud.
Any word for your sister who just won?
Well, only thing I can say to her is to keep on doing the hard work and she will be successful.
Any word for your mother in the stand? She just ran out here. She just celebrated with you. We saw hugs, we saw kisses. Any word for your mom at this time?
Well, I just want to say my mom, to keep having the faith in us because we can do it.
More Champs coverage on ER next Friday.
Dry your face for the tears, buckle your belt and your lace for the fear. History, history will make you know. History, history will make you know. Yeah, we never forget to hear that. We never forget.